Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang timeless reading for you. So anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Okay, let's see. Ano yung kailangang malaman ng mga Taurus? What's coming? What's the energy for Taurus? What do they need to know? You have the Five of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo may recent losses. Yung tipong may nawala, mayroon kayong ni-let go. Yung iba kasi maaring di pa kayo nakapag-let go completely. You are still holding on to something na wala na sa'yo. This can be a relationship, a situation, career, business, money. Kaya lang, masyado ka nang nagsuspend ng time doon na regrets, contemplating, bakit ganun, bakit hindi nag-work out, dapat sana ganito yung ginawa ko. So, ang nangyayari, nasa-stuck kayo sa ganyang situation. Now, merong ibang opportunities sa'yo ngayon na hindi mo napapansin. That's why the universe is telling you to, find those opportunities. At huwag kang mag-focus sa mga bagay na wala ka nang magagawa. Like, wala ka nang control over it. There are other opportunities around you, whether this is for love, this is for relationship, career, business. Ano man yung nawala sa'yo, merong kapalit yan na ibabalik sa'yo, mas maganda, mas magiging masaya ka, mas fulfilling, much better. Okay? You have the Hanged Man. Yung iba sa inyo, masyado kayong naapektuhan nitong losses na to the point na parang feeling nyo hindi na kayo makapag-function ng maayos. You are delaying things. You are avoiding things. May mga dinedelay ka, may mga iniiwasan kang gawin. I mean, it's okay kung may mga times talaga na kailangan mong, ng time sa sarili mo, but hindi kailangan na magtagal doon sa sitwasyon na yon to the point na marami nang nawawala sa'yo. Like, lost time, lost opportunities, 'di ba? So, let's see. Ace of Pentacles. There's a new beginning. Speaking of opportunity for you, there's a new beginning. Yung iba, itong losses na to related sa pera, related sa opportunities, sa business, sa career. But the universe is telling you na kaya to nawawala sa'yo or nawala sa'yo is because there is something that you need to focus on. Meron kang dapat bigyan ng attention ngayon. Hindi na yung nawala na. So, yeah, there's a new beginning. You have to embrace what's coming to you, 'di ba? Kumbaga nandiyan na yung opportunity. Ikaw yung mag-grab ng opportunity na 'yan. Ikaw yung magbubukas ng pinto, 'di ba? The Three of Wands. Oh my God, Taurus. There is expansion, growth para sa iyo. Huwag mong hayaan na ito ay mawala sa'yo. Kasi, minsan kasi parang diversion yun ng ibang tao na tipong, si Taurus, siya ngayon, gulong-gulo siya, distracted siya ngayon. So, itong opportunity na to sa kanya, kukunin natin. O, 'di ba? Baka may umagaw pa sa'yo niyan. Or, merong tao na mag-take advantage sa'yo. Dahil hindi ka naka-fully concentrated, 'di ba? You have the Chariot. Oh my God, Taurus. You are about to become very successful. Kailangan mo lang talagang mag-take action towards this. At huwag mong hayaan na ikaw ay madistract ng mga distractions sa paligid mo. Kasi meron dyan, maaring itetest ka ng universe. Alamin niya kung talaga bang decided ka na, talaga bang seryoso ka na to experience the new chapter sa buhay mo. 'Di ba? Gusto niya malaman na ready ka eh. Gusto niya makita yung actions mo. So now it's the time for you to take action doon sa opportunities na ipinapakita sa iyo ngayon ng universe. Tumingin ka sa paligid mo. Maraming oportunidad. Hindi lang yung mga bagay na na-miss out mo, na nawala sa'yo, akala mo di na darating or di na babalik. Yung opportunity na yon. Meron at merong opportunity na mas magbibigay sa'yo ng fulfillment. Okay? Fertility, you are going to be very productive. Marami kang magagawa. Marami kang ma-accomplish. It's time to make a lot of things. Create. Fertility is also an opportunity to be creative. Okay? Manifestation. Yung mina-manifest mo, it's going to happen. Parating na yung mina-manifest mo. And, syempre, kung ano man yung nasa isip mo ngayon, tumatakbo sa isip mo, nag-occupy ng isip mo, yan yung mamamanifest mo. So, be careful and pay attention sa binibigyan mo ng focus ang attention. Some of you, maaring meron kayong magiging pet animal, pet na aso, pusa, or yung iyong pet ngayon, kung meron na kayong pet, yan yung isa sa inspiration ninyo. Magiging inspiration ninyo to try again, to, start again. And communication is also an opportunity for you to release or to express yourself sa maraming pamamaraan. Maaring meron kang talent sa communication, public speaking, writing, journaling, content creation. So, go for it. Wheel of Karma, yes. Cause and effect. There's also fortune for you if you are going to take action. Kung ready ka for movement. Refinement. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are into luxury. Anything na, alam mo yun, may quality, high quality. Some of you are into perfume, or mga wine, sa fashion. So, if nandyan yung interest mo, makeup, yan, for beautification, the finer things in life, pursue whatever you want, whatever na gusto mo, na nagre-resonate sa yung abilities. So, it's time to make that decision. Yes, decide. Kasi kung hindi ka lahat kasi ng ginagawa natin, it's a decision. Every day. O anong gagawin mo sa umaga? Pupunta ka sa CR, maliligo ka, magpe-pray ka, kakain ka. Maraming decision. So your decisions ay every day nakakaapekto yan sa outcome ng iyong future. Huwag mong hayaan na kapag merong mga rejections, dun ka na lang nag-focus, naglungkot-lungkutan ka na dun. Bakit hindi mo nakuha yung gusto mo? Minsan, dinedelay lang yan. Pwede kasing meron ka pang kailangang ayusin, i-improve, or maybe it's not really for you. 'Di ba? So, be open dun sa iba pang pwede mong i-embrace na opportunities or pagbabago sa buhay mo. Love approaches unexpectedly. Wow, I love this. So, some of you maaring merong new relationship, new connection na parating, and mas nakikita ko rito kasi is love para sa sarili mo. Yung practicing self-love, self-care, or there's like a certain passion. Meron ka madidiscover na passion mo sa buhay, na dun ka pala mas magiging masaya, mas magiging creative, mas mas magiging settled, mas magiging fulfilled because you love what you do. 'Di ba? Sabi nga, love what you do and do what you love. So that's what I'm seeing for you, Taurus. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.